I'm going to share 5 super simple steps that will help you lock down your Gmail and keep those hackers out for good. Protecting your Gmail account is crucial in today's digital age. Your Gmail account is a treasure trove of sensitive information, and losing control of it can have disastrous consequences. That's why, in this video, I'll be sharing 5 easy steps to help you safeguard your Gmail account from hackers and cyber threats. Hacking attempts on Gmail accounts have become increasingly prevalent, with millions of accounts compromised every year. These hackers use sophisticated techniques to gain access to your account, often without you even realizing it. And once they have access, they can steal your personal information, send spam emails, and even use your account to hack into other accounts. The risks are enormous, and it's essential to take proactive measures to protect yourself. In addition to financial loss, a hacked Gmail account can also lead to identity theft, reputational damage, and even legal troubles. Hackers can use your account to send malicious emails, which can put your contacts at risk and even get you blacklisted by email providers. The consequences can be far-reaching, and it's crucial to take the necessary steps to prevent such a scenario. The good news is that most hacking attempts can be prevented by taking simple yet effective security measures. By following these 5 easy steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of your Gmail account being hacked. Let's dive right into the 5 easy steps to secure your Gmail account. Step number 1 is to enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it much harder for hackers to gain access. Step number 2 is to use a strong, unique password. Avoid using the same password across multiple accounts, and make sure it's not something that can be easily guessed. Step number 3 is to be cautious with email links and attachments. Never click on suspicious links or download attachments from unknown senders. This can help prevent malware and phishing attacks. Step number 4 is to monitor your account activity regularly. Keep an eye on your sent emails and check for any suspicious activity. And step number 5 is to update your recovery email and phone number. This ensures that you can regain access to your account in case it's hacked. Out of these 5 steps, I want to highlight the importance of enabling two-factor authentication. This is the most crucial step that can significantly reduce the risk of hacking. With two-factor authentication, even if a hacker has your password, they won't be able to access your account without the verification code sent to your phone. In conclusion, protecting your Gmail account is not rocket science, but it does require some effort and awareness. By following these 5 easy steps, you can reduce the risk of hacking and ensure your account remains safe and secure. Thanks for watching, and if you have any security tips or hacks, please share them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful content, and I'll see you in the next video.
Let's play.